folks, you guessed it right. We have a new project car, so it's a Nissan Skyline 350 GT. And as I showed you on the intro video, we do have the car here. So this is a 2007 Nissan Skyline, and this specific one has been packed for more than 3 years, 4 if I'm not mistaken. And as you guys are seeing over here, someone tried to attempt to fix it because it's not cranking, it's not powering on the ignition when you flip on the key. Basically it's a non-runner at this point because of the electrical issues that it has. Well, we took this chance and we bought it, and yeah, we want to try to make sure that we can repair it. So it's fitted with the VQ35 HR, so it's a 3.5 liter V6, and HR is the high rev version of those engines. So basically it's the newer, it's the latest update, if I'm not mistaken, on the VQ35's engine. So while it was packed, it was subtouched. As you guys are seeing over here, it's missing the window on this rear door because someone broke them, got inside and tried to steal things. And you guys can definitely see a lot of bunch of things are laying around here of this vehicle. You can basically see how everything is messy. All the electronics down there have been tempered, and you can see, yeah, the guys that stole the mirrors, they ended up cutting the wiring. That's so bad. They ended up cutting the wiring of the mirrors. Shame on them, shame on them. And as you can see, they managed to steal all the mirrors. Yeah, this is so bad, guys. So we'll have also to do some TLC, and you guys can see the car is dirty. Maybe the first thing that I will do to make things easier for us is to wash the vehicle. So as you guys are seeing over here, it has a lot of mess. Everything was dismounted. You can barely see here on the steering wheel also. Everything was removed. Everything is, yeah, it's a complete chaos. Let me just try to see if I can get the boot open. So you can see also this window was also broken. Let's try to see what we have here on the boot. Ooh, yeah, a lot of mess. Definitely it will need some cleanup. Let me just check if it does have a spare tire. Oh my. Oh yeah, it does have a spare tire. That's great, at least. Yeah, we can get... Oh man, look at the amount of dirt that we have around here. Man, that's gross. This thing will need a massive cleanup, and of course we are going to do... Ow! It's very dirty though. So yeah, folks, this is our new project car. So I will try to sort out the electrical wiring issue that we have at this moment, at least to get the car starting up, and we will see from there what will be the next steps for us on this. So yeah, folks, this is our project car for this time, and I hope you guys keep tracking the progress that we'll be making on this vehicle. I hope I will be able to make some cool videos for you guys. I'm very excited and looking forward to work on this vehicle. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned, and I see you around. This is the graveyard where we found out the vehicle.